Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, in this international summary on public health and education, I will present our result of the paper with the title Validity and Reliability Test of the Physical Exercise Movement Screening to Improve Fitness for Elderly. Background: elderly, age around 50 until 60 years old, experiencing various kinds of the decreases physiological function, including muscle function, cardiovascular, etc. Muscle strength and power is performing isometric, concentric, and eccentric movement decreases since the age of the 40 years, and significant decrease occur after the age of 65 until 70 years old. And the balance and mobility factor also decrease when they reach that age. Based on this consideration, various kinds of the movement are needed in the accordance with the need of the elderly. The objective of this study was to verify the construct validity and reliability test screening movement for elderly. The validation is needed for expert in the personal trainer or elderly instructor to find out what the movement are construct easy and can be prevent or slow down the aging process. Method: instrument. This research use a mixed method in order to complement the data obtained both from qualitative and qualitative data. Qualitative data were obtained through the elderly interview, and quantitative data through descriptive research using a screening movement for elderly, questionnaire, and instrument. Data analysis. Questionnaire data analysis using EBM statistic 2020 to do validity test, percent correlation, and reliability test, Kornberg alpha. Research flow: searching, find, implementing theoretically and empirically from previous study. 2. Early product of the training model of elderly. 3. Comprehension and depth of learning literature for expert validation. 5. Product question create. 6. Sent to confirm by practitioner. 7. Questionnaire evaluated by expertise both theoretically and practically. And 8. Finalization of questionnaire. This is a list of the movement. Flexibility is a 30 movement, balance is 12 movement, strength is 60 movement, and group training is the 2 movement. Result: validity test 7 until 47 movement was invalid because of the significant volume more than 0.05 with the p-value more than 0.05. Although R value has positive value. Invalid 7 movement are 1. G4 is the breast and arm in front the chest. 2. G12 hyperactivity. G40 ankle and the left right chest. G50 Russian pivot. G80 turn arm clockwise. G36 cow cat attitude, and G40 rise to the sumo rise of the cow on the wall. And this is a picture of the valid movement. Result: reliability test. This test is intended to find out the consistency in the given question that cause instructor to have an easy to answer and have a flow of equations that are easy to understand. Kornberg alpha with result 0.743. It can be included that the various types of the movement that exist are considered to be reliable or consistent. The discussion component of the fitness in the training in elderly include aerobic ability, balance, endurance, strength, flexibility, and speed. Of course, when making movement must be supervised by the instructor, cannot do it alone because in the high rise of falling. The ability of balance will decrease when the weight gain. A study in Japan explained that in the healthy elderly, a negative relationship with a condition and waist circumference would be obtained. Physical activity will provide health benefit for the elderly, maintain bodily function independently, improve their quality of life, improve posture stability and walking pattern in the elderly, in reduction in the incidence of fall that often occurs. Aside from the physical aspect, the elderly also need support from the socio-physiological aspect. With the social support from the surroundings, the elderly will have low blood pressure, reduce mortality, and improve cognitive function. Many instructors argue that it's no physical exercise that combines the sociological aspect with the physical activity. The physical training models recommended by the instructor include low moderate physical activity which is carried out routinely 3 times a week, movement that are easy, simple, and pleasant, prioritizing balance and strength. The conclusion, the questionnaire was valid and reliable. Questionnaire regarding screening of the exercise movement that are suitable for the elderly have proven the consistent in the delivery of the question for specific or special instructor in the elderly and are cited to the valid for 40 movement while 7 other movements like the arm, Russian chest, hyperextension, knee and the left, and etc. is invalid or not suitable for the elderly to do physical activity. Thank you and see you again. Bye-bye.